Hello, thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel. I wanted to show you some dies that I bought previously. And before I do that, let me show you the cardstock that I used to make some of the Memorydex. So I did use in my Flourish again, some cardstock that I had in my stash. This one also, the Cosmo Cricket. And this one is the Creative Girl. I love the cardstock in this pad. And I also used the Spellbinders cardstock that I picked up previously. This one I used the Limeade Splash, Banana Cream, and Rustic Rose. And then some other things that I used are, of course, my enamel dots from AliExpress. My Martha Stewart little pearls. And this was a monthly kit from Spellbinders. It was in there. I used some eyelash trim that I had in my stash. This sequence trim from Target. In the Target spot, the white one. I used this artsy packet that Alexandra L gifted me in a Happy Mail. I also used this tool from Tuesday Morning. It's the pink tool. I used one of the brads in this embellishment kit. And I did use this ephemera from AliExpress that I picked up a long time ago. So those are the things I used to embellish my tags, my Memorydex. So let me show you really quick the Memorydex that I picked up. These are from the Heidi Swapp I picked up a long time ago. And I picked up these two Memorydex. So I did cut them out a long time ago, but I never embellished them. So I did use my Coco and Reno on some of them, the newest one. So let me show you first the ones from Coco and Reno. This is the bird from the Coco and Reno. So I did use that sequence trim, the flower from Coco and Reno, and then this doily and that happiness and that today is from the artsy packet. There's some enamel dots from AliExpress, and there too. And then this circle is a leftover of a tag, and so I just put it there. And the back I left it plain. So the next Coco and Reno is the butterfly and the flower from Coco and Reno. So the butterfly, I did put the Martha Stewart pearls, and I put my AliExpress enamel dots there and some dots there. And this is the artsy packet with this trim there, and that my happy place also there. So this one I left it plain also in the back. So the next one from Coco and Reno is this bunny with the flower. I did put a little tail on the rabbit, and I did pick up that what is it called? Whatever it is, I picked it up from Target in the dollar spot, also a bag. And then these little flowers from Coco and Reno. The enamel dots from AliExpress. This is an earlier die from Coco and Reno, and I just put a pearl. And then this chipboard happy, and this embellishment here is from the Artsy Tag collection. So the back I left plain. So let me show you this one. This doily is the Tim Holtz doily that I did a long time ago. Here's the sequins in pink underneath. the sequence, the tool. This is the sequence. And then this chipboard is from that artsy pack. This ticket is from the AliExpress bag, and then enamel dots also. And this bowl is an earlier Coco and Reno die. And this beautiful is from that AliExpress. And this swan is actually from the Heritage, Maggie Holmes Heritage collection, right there. But the stamp and the die cuts backwards. Let me show you really quick. That the stamp and the die don't cut as it should. See, when you go put it, it stamps like that, but then it cuts the other way. So they did a mistake when they did this stamp. See? The head is over here. They did it wrong. So that's a bummer. So that is that. Let me show you this one. So again, some stuff from everything. This is from Coco and Reno. That little moth is from Coco and Reno. And I did use, what is that called? These dots to make it a little higher dimension. So that one looks like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess I showed you all of them, right? Yes. Yep. So that's that. So let me show you the Coco and Reno die real quick. So this is the die. It comes with 14 dies here. And that's the moth, the bird, the rabbit, the fox. I didn't use none of the borders. So these are the borders. This is the butterfly, another flower. So that looks like that, the cutouts. These are the ones I didn't use on my Memorydex. So I'm going to stop it here, and I'm going to show you some tags that I did and some other cutouts from using these two, Maggie Holmes Heart Collection and Maggie Holmes Heritage Collection. So stay tuned for part 2. Thank you. Bye.